Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to a code guys, how can we off aeroplane mode in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to off guys your aeroplane mode in your Poco phone, so when you can off it. And friends, now let's see how to off aeroplane mode in our Poco phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. And friends, you can see this aeroplane mode icon on your screen guys. How can you off this icon in your Poco phone? So when how can you off this airplane mode icon, and when how can we off guys airplane mode setting in our Poco phone from phone setting guys. Today I will show you in this video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. Friends, you will have to click on guys connection and sharing option. Friends, you can see your airplane mode setting, and let's say icon guys you can see is on. So you will tap here to off. Then guys your airplane mode will off in your Techno phone guys. Oh sorry, Oppo phone guys. And friends, you can see this icon will remove on your screen guys. You can use guys your mobile data setting guys. You can use guys your phone call setting without any problem. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off aeroplane mode in our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.